Welcome to the Product Tech Lab. So this chapter is using for the virtualization, vSphere and NSX T. So we have to start the virtualization. So I need to understand a few things like what is virtualization? Okay. So what is the virtualization? So this question, what is virtualization? So earlier days we have a one server. This is a server. Okay, in this server you build a OS, and that means a single server can manage the service. Okay, now it is a server. What is virtualization? Now if we say the virtualization, this is a server. Okay, this server manages multiple OS. Okay, so that's called virtualization. So that means a physical server, that means a physical server, okay, physical server manage the multiple virtualizations like OS. Cool, like OS. So how does it make possible? That's make possible if you see, this is very simple things like we have one, this support, this is not possible any kind of Windows 11 or Windows 10. This is support ESXi. This ESXi, okay, OS need to be deployed over this server. Then you can access these things. Then you build a multiple virtual machines. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is four virtual machines. Now talking about this is called virtualizations. Now talking about another part. This is called virtualization network. Okay, virtualization network. Cool. So what is virtualization network? Earlier, as we know, if we have any kind of data center like any router, okay, this router connected to one switch, okay, this switch connected to multiple servers. So this is completely manage the things. You need to log in. This is network administrator, okay, log into this router, manage this thing, manage this switch, okay, so it can be possible. Now this is called one thing just like on SDN, okay, SDN. This is called software defined networking. Okay, different networking. What does SDN has two parts, two vendors that can be managed. One for the VMware, another is Cisco. Okay, so we are focusing about the VMware. Clear? So VMware has NSX. VMware has product called NSX T, and Cisco called product is ACI, the application centric infrastructure. Now we need to understand basic components and architecture. Earlier we have discussed about the server, multiple ESXi. Just imagine. Okay, there is a three ESXi, ESXi 1, ESXi 2, ESXi 3. All are controlled and managed over the vCenter, VC. Okay. Same thing in the networking side. This is a controller on NSX T manager. Okay, NSX T manager. So what happened? This VC, if you have a multiple ESXi, like there is another ESXi, okay, 4, 5, 6, okay, 4, 5, 6. So all are managed over this. Clear? If we have any, just like uh, router, okay, router, switch, okay, so all are controlled by the NSX manager. What does it mean? If you have a physical server, okay, this is a server, okay, this server we have deployed VC, that means vCenter. NSX T manager. Okay, NSX T manager also deploys same thing. This is VC. This is the physical. Okay. So how does it? This server base OS is ESXi. Under this ESXi, you deploy the VC, and in this OS, you deploy the NSX T manager. Now control this VC over this all the part. Okay. In networking part managed by the NSX T. Basically, there is networking side. There is also vSwitch you can control over the ESXi. Okay. But distributed switch you can control over the vCenter, but other stuffs you can control over this NSX. So we have to see in future the next chapter how to take the labs and all those configuration, all those things. Okay. So as of now, not require anything. So this is the part. This is the basic components, basic things we have to see the theoretical part. Okay. So it is some terminology. Okay. Some terminology means if we heard about the like vSphere. Okay. vSphere means vSphere. Okay. So vSphere is basically is called okay just VSHURE vSphere. Okay. vSphere different version is there. Okay, 7 version is there, 8 version. We are focusing on the 8. Okay. NSX T is the version is there. This is also 3.2, 4.2. Okay. And we are focusing the 4.2.1. This is latest version. Okay. So this is the part. vSphere is the version. vSphere total component called the vSphere. The total networking component NSX T. First, we understand the ESXi we have to already discuss, vCenter already discussed, and NSX T already discussed. So now we have to show the labs. ESXi already I have to deploy in my servers. Okay, now vCenter have to deploy over this. So this is the chapter for the part one. So thank you guys. We'll see in the next chapter.